final ask for people who are listening today. Uh, Please, if you have DACA or had it in the past, look at your work permit or your previous DACA approvals or receipts and look for the A number. Sometimes it's called a USCIS or DHS number. Often it's an A number. It's usually 9 digits. Sometimes it's 8, sometimes it's 7. And go into the EOIR website. And I'm going to put the EOIR website for case status in the chat. And you want to plug in your A number. And then you want to just check your status, because sometimes people don't know that they have a deportation order against them or that it was administratively closed. Sometimes the government is recalendering or putting people back on for immigration court without them knowing, even though they have DACA. There's some crazy stuff happening that makes no sense at all. This is not to scare anybody. This is just to say we're a law firm. So like a hospital has an emergency room and they see the worst situations. And so we're a law firm and we're kind of like that emergency room where we see the worst situations. So sometimes you're going to see things like the government sending a notice to the wrong address and someone being ordered deported. We had that situation. We just got that deportation reopened for somebody. They had never gotten the notice of the court hearing. So you want to go onto that website, please check your A number and just see if it says anything connected to your name. If there's no case number found, that usually means that there is no deportation or removal case connected to that A number. Sometimes people have had more than one A number or don't realize that they've had more than one A number. So that's a whole nother story. But overall, this is a very useful tool to see if there might be some type of removal history there.